Hi guys, good afternoon. So today I'm going to show you this Moringa olipira. So this plant, there's a lot of health benefits, can fight all of kinds of diseases. This is good. And also I'm going to show you the property, house and lot available. This is a 3 bedrooms, single detached 2-story. So this is the property I'm going to show you guys. So this one is already have a 1-car garage. So here, so you have already a 1-car garage, and then this is the pathway, and you have more space, 360 degrees, and also this side, and also at the back. So you can put plants, gardens, or you can beautify, make a landscape. So I'll show you also. This is the main door. So from here at the main door, so by the way, this is fully finished, meaning no things included, no furnitures, no appliances, but already finished, fully finished, meaning already tiled and painted walls. The electric line, water line is ready, and also the ceilings. So only the lacking here is only the appliances and also the furniture. Okay, so you have the sliding door. This area is the lanai area, and also that side another sliding door for that service area. So maybe this area is your dining area, and also right there is the living area, and there is stairs going to the 2nd floor. So I'll show you first here. Right, so this is the kitchen here. So this is the deliverable unit, including the faucet, the sink, and also the lower cabinet, countertop, and also this one. So this is the kitchen area, and here you have the guest room. So the guest room have also the own toilet and bath right there. So this is the guest room, guys, here at the ground floor. Right, so I'll show you the other side. Here there is a powder room. Look at that. So this is the powder room, and also this one is a panel board. Look at that. And this is the ground floor area. And now I'm going to show you at the 2nd floor. Okay, so this is fully finished. Only the lacking here is the tanks, the appliances, the furnitures. So this is the bedroom 2 here. Okay, bedroom 2, and also this is maybe your storage or another bedroom or your closet area. And here is another balcony. So this is the balcony here at the back. So you have the view, your neighbor. Oh, you have the ocean view right there, and also mountain view. That is Maribohok Bay, at also Maribohok Mountain. So this is the balcony at the back. Here, going back inside, I'll show you here. So by the way, there's another bedroom here. Bedroom with toilet and bath. So this is the bedroom, guys. So this area, you can also use a bedroom or either inner entertainment room. And also this side, there is another bedroom here. So this is the another bedroom with own toilet and bath. Look at that. So with own toilet and bath, and also with huge balcony. And you have the view, your neighbor, and also the mountain view of Maribohok Bay, and also your neighbor. So this is the view here. This is the front balcony, huge balcony. Okay, so this is a 3 bedrooms. So going back to the ground floor, I'll show you also outside of the property. So from here, possible this is your living area, dining area, your lanai area, your service area, your kitchen area, and also you have the another bedroom here at the ground floor, and also here your kitchen area, plus you have a door access. Okay, so this is the service area. You have the space, you can landscape this one. You can put plants, malunggay or whatever plants. And this area is going direct to the main door or to the garage area. Alright, so here, so you have a more space, guys, or either you can build a dirty kitchen here or another storage room. So this is the septic tank area, lanai area, and this side is going to the front door area or to the garage area. Okay, so this is the property vacant, 3 bedroom single detached 2-story Diana model. Alright, so for Diana is 1 unit only available, and also one. So here in Chateau right now, our updated inventory is 1 Diana fully finished, meaning no furnitures, no appliances. It's a fully finished. Okay, but we have also if you like with fully furnished, meaning fully furnished is with things inside, with appliances and also with furnitures. That is Elizabeth. That is the model house for sale. I love this one. If you love malunggay or moringa, ulipira, guys, there's a lot of benefits. You can plant in your backyard. In your house there is a space, you can plant there, or even in the front area there's a space. So this is the available. This one is very close to the swimming pool, because you know here in Chateau de Paz there is also amenity swimming pool, children playground, and also the basketball court. And also you can assure this one about the security. We have the guard house, we have gated community, the entire community, fully fenced, CCTV camera, and also the roving guard. So meaning even you are out of the country, your unit is secured, no problem. And location wise, very close to the Tagbilaran city, especially the third bridge direct to the seaport and to the downtown of Tagbilaran. Once it's finished, that is only 5 minutes drive, guys, going to Tagbilaran city. And also if you're going to the beach area, to the White Sand Beach in Dawis and Panglao, that is only 10 to 15 minutes drive going to that area. If you're going to airport, just like that, that's only a 15 minutes drive, 10 to 15 minutes. So this is a very accessible location. So very nice. very close to the church, to the international church, to the hospital, Tagbilaran City, mall, supermarket, banks. So very close. So very ideal location. So if you are interested, you can message me directly. I am very happy to assist you guys. My name is Rolando Uyangurin from Bachelor's Realty. I am your trusted property specialist. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. This place. We have available 2 units. One fully furnished unit, meaning with things included, with appliances and also with furnitures, and also we have a 1 unit available fully finished, meaning no things included. So if you are interested, just message me. I am very happy to assist you guys. Thank you for watching.